Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is inactivated vaccine. Inactivated vaccine or killed vaccine. This is a type of vaccine. A vaccine consisting of dead but antigenically active viruses, bacteria or other pathogens which evokes production of protective antibodies without causing disease. So these vaccines are antigenically active while the pathogenicity are lost by some physical or chemical methods. These are also made from pieces of virus, bacteria, or other pathogens, so-called frictional vaccines that have been killed with heat, chemicals, formaldehyde, or formalin, or with the help of radiation. Consequently, inactivated killed vaccines don't have the risk of mutating and reverting to their virulent form. So there is no chances of mutation in inactivated vaccines. They work by stimulating B cells to produce antibodies. So these vaccines only stimulated B cells, which is a type of lymphocyte, and they typically don't require refrigeration. But inactivated vaccines also have some drawbacks. There is no requirement of refrigeration in inactivated vaccines. The major drawback, the major one is they often are not as potent as live-attenuated vaccine because they only stimulate the production of antibodies and don't engage other aspects of the adaptive immune system, such as the memory T cells. So they only stimulate memory T cells. So to maintain immunity, you need periodic booster shots. Now the example of dead vaccine are the vaccine used for influenza, cholera, bubonic plague, polio, hepatitis A, and rabies. So these are the examples of inactivated vaccine. Some bacterial diseases are not directly caused by a bacterium itself, but by a toxin produced by the bacterium. Some diseases are caused by the toxin which produced by the bacteria. One example is tetanus. Its symptoms are not caused by the Clostridium tetani bacteria, but by a neurotoxin it produces, tetanospasmin. So these toxins are produced by Clostridium tetani bacterium. Immunization for these types of pathogen can be made by inactivated toxin that causes disease symptoms. Immunization created using inactivated toxin are called toxoid vaccine. Toxoids can actually be considered killed or inactivated vaccine, but are sometimes given their own category to highlight the fact that they contain an inactivated toxins and not an inactivated form of bacteria. DTaP vaccines which protect against diphtheria, tetanus and whooping cough. So DTaP vaccine, which is the abbreviation of diphtheria, tetanus and acellular pertussis, which is used against diphtheria, tetanus and whooping cough. The acellular DTaP vaccine contains the toxoid of diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. So this is all about inactivated or killed vaccine. Thank you.